Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking evaluate the determinant of the matrix, and they have given a 4 by 4 matrix. So whenever we have a 4 by 4 matrix, it's better to bring this one into a upper triangular format and find the determinant. That way it's much easier than doing other things. So in this case, let's copy the matrix down. So it's 0 6 0 0 2 8 0 6. Then we have 8 7 3 5 1 4 0 3. So now what I'm going to do is, so since you have to bring the upper triangular format, if I bring this one into the fourth column, that will be much easier because this is 1. If I bring it to the top, I can easily multiply and deduct, add to the other things. So it's better to swap with the fourth column. So I'm finding the determinant of this. So whenever I swap, the sign is gonna change. So that one I have to consider. So when I swap, what's gonna happen is there's a minus sign in front of the determinant. So I have to take care of that one. And if I swap this one, the last column is going to be first column now. So it's going to be 1403. Then the second column is going to be 2806. Third is 8735. And the fourth is now 0600. Now let's try to eliminate this one. So to eliminate this one, I have to simply multiply this one by -2 and add it to this one. So if I do that, I will get 1403, and I'm multiplying the first one by -2, so -2 r1 plus r2, and this is going to become 0 0 0 0, and the third one is 8735, and the fourth one is 0600. Since we have to bring this one into upper triangular format, it's better to swap this one with the fourth one because you know this will be much better to be upper triangular format if we bring it to the fourth column, because it will make 3 columns 0, so I don't have to do so many things. So what I have to do is, from this one I already know the determinant is going to be 0, because the determinant is basically, after finding the upper triangle, it's multiplying the diagonal. Therefore one of the diagonals is definitely going to be 0. Therefore I know that it's going to be 0. However, to show this one, it's 0, I have to fully solve it. So let's do this. Let's go all the way. So if I swap this one with the last one, so let's see what happens. 1403 and 0600 8735, and the last one is going to be 0000. Now I swapped this again, so I add another negative sign in front of determinant. Now minus it will become positive. So let's continue here. So now we have 1403 0600 8735. So I can make this one 0 by multiplying the first one by -8 and 80, multiplying the first one by -8 and add it to the third one. So let's do that one. So 1403, then here 0600, and if I multiply the first one by -8, it's going to be -8 r1 plus r3, which is going to give us 0 right here. But here it's -8 times 4 is going to be 32, -32 plus 7 is going to be -25. So -25 right here. Then this is 0 plus 3 is going to be just 3. Then -8 times 3 is going to be -24. -24 plus 5 is going to be -19. Then we have 0 0 0 0 in the bottom. Now what I can do is, I can divide this one by 6 to make it simpler. So in that way it will be easier to eliminate this one. So let's do that. 14 0 3 0 1 0 0. Now what's going to happen to the determinant is I'm dividing this one by 1 by 6, therefore determinant also will be divided by 1 by 6. Determinant, okay. Now we know this is already changed into positive because minus minus it became positive, that's why I put the positive here, and 1 over 6. Then the third one is going to be 0 minus 25, 3 minus 19. The last one is 0 0 0 0. Now what I can do is I can multiply the second one by 25 and add it to the third one to eliminate this one. So let's do that. 1403, and if I'm so this is going to be itself, so 0 1 0 0. If I multiply the second one by 25, 25 R2 plus R3 is going to give us 0 0. Then this is going to be 0 0 plus 3, 0 plus 9 minus 90 90. And now I have brought this into upper triangular format. Upper triangle is basically whatever value below the diagonals is 0, so it's already that is. Now what I have to do is this is 1 over 6 determinant, therefore we can say 1 over 6 determinant A is equal to 1 times 1 times 3 times 0, so which is equal to 0, therefore determinant of A is equal to 0. So this is the answer for the first question, A question. Let's do the B part. They are saying what does this tell about the linear independence and independence of the columns of the matrix. So if you see, every column has leading one means these are the things, right? Leading one, but the fourth column doesn't have a leading one. Pivot, you also say pivot, right? The fourth column doesn't have pivot, therefore the fourth column is combination of the first three columns. Therefore the fourth column is, and also fourth column is linearly dependent on first three columns. So we can state that fourth column doesn't have a pivot, therefore fourth column is a linear combination of first three columns. Also fourth column is not linearly independent, but linearly dependent, right? Dependent. So that's how we answer this question, and that's all about it. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.